Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vhy Gregory and this is everything Vhy Gregory. It has been a minute, guys. It has been a minute. It has been a minute, guys. I know. Yes, I have so much content coming in store for you guys. Don't worry. I'm going to be doing more videos, more getting ready with me, more vlog, more lifestyle, more travel because I have been traveling. So I'm being a bit cheeky. I've been traveling. I've been living my life and I have been changing my hair and getting ready. And I've not been, taking you guys along with me. And I do promise to do more now, but today I am going to show you how I achieve this high slick bun with you only realistically need 4 items. This is just an everyday bun. You can use this for parties, for work, for errands, just every day, depending on your hair and how easy it is for you and how much products you may need. The less products you need on your hair, the better it is and the easier it will be for you. The more products you need, it might take you a bit longer and it might be a bit more harder and stressful to achieve the hair to be, really slick and smooth. So so everything that you'll see in this video that I've used are things you probably have at home: hair bands, elastic bands, and also water if you have a tap. And I want to believe everyone has a tap at home. You could just sprinkle a bit of water. Sometimes you do need a bit of water to start off your hair, just to damp the hair a little bit. It's easier that way. You need some gel, depending on the gel that you are comfortable using. I use Got2be. Everything has to be Got2be. You might need bobbin pins, and also the hair you want to also attach to your head as the ponytail. I normally just use like some old expressions that I've plaited up, and I just wrap that round. As you can see, it's like a braided expression. I've just wrapped it round. As you can see, it's a braided expression I've just wrapped around, and it's pretty old, so it does give it that rough look that I love. I don't like it when the hair is brand new. I like it when it's a bit rough. So yeah, this is my look for today. So stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. back. I'm dressed, about to leave. So I'm about to take off this ribbon and I'm gonna do a few touches to my face. When I do go to work and just for everyday stuff or errands or meetups or drinks, at Starbucks, Costa, coffee, just a light look. This is just my go-to. So I'm going to be using this Revolution. Duo Brow Definer. Wrong way. Duo Brow Definer, and it's in medium brown. I love this because it gives my brows this natural, nice look, and it's good for every day, and it's also good for work. I know I always talk about work. That's what I do. I always talk about work. So it's got these two sides. So I just lightly draw on my brows and then brush it out, and that's it. I don't conceal. I don't do nothing. Yeah, so it just gives that natural, brow effect. It just darkens the brow a little bit. And because it's light brown, it's not going to show as much, but I love how it makes my brows look. I'm in love with it. Okay, so now for my lips. So I like to use either the Revlon Kiss Cloud Blotted Lip Colour. So it's just a lip colour. It's quite matte or shit. And this Pixie Petra. And it's like a matte lip gloss, and I love it. So once you put this if I use, I'm going to have like the world's pinkest lips. I'm going to use this one day, but it's really, really, really good. I really want to show you guys this. It is so, so pink, and it's the prettiest pink. Yeah, it's matte last, and it lasts. So when you're using this, you need a drop. So I'm going to go in today with the Revlon Kiss. So this is my natural everyday errands and work look. So this is literally my everyday, just simple, a nice simple high pony, edges done, nice brows. I also tweezed my eyebrows last night. So just some nice simple brows and some nice calm, approachable lips. So I'm going to take off this ribbon now and we are going to reveal the hair. Ooh, girl. Yeah. I'm in love. I'm in love. So guys, what do you think? Ooh. So this is my finished look. Guys. This is my everyday, cheap and cheerful, slick up high pony. Let's see if I can show you guys. Lovely that. Have a lovely day, my lovely people. Enjoy the weather and enjoy the month of June. And I'll be seeing you guys again soon. I'll be seeing you more and you'll be seeing me more. So bye.